Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how S&P 500, SQQ and TQQ has moved in the last week and how these nasdaq and S&P 500 can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of S&P 500, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming in this particular zone. Okay, this is opposite U pattern, and if you look at this trend, after taking a support at this particular level, a swing has formed and it made a high of around $4,336. Okay, and after that we have seen there is a sharp fall has come, okay, which I've already explained you in my previous video. If you look at this particular chart, what it is a opposite cup pattern forming, so there was high probability once if it goes below a level of 4,000 that it can move further low, and it made a low of around $4,3490. After that it went upside and form a swing at this level. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high we can see it can move further low. Before we move forward and explain you where it can go, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is at a higher probability that if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can move further low towards a level of $3,742. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3,724. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $3,696, and from there we can see once the price fall below $3,696, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $3,656. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $3,644, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $3,635. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, chances are very high it can go towards a level of $3,583 to a level of around $3,568. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch this strong support of $3,494. Okay, and once the price goes below this particular level, then we can see it can fall further down, but there is a high probability that it can bounce back from this level because this is a strong support. But our next resistance once the price touches this level will be 3,561. So there is chances that it can bounce back from that particular level. Okay, and so if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can come in this particular zone, and a probability of touching a level of around 3,371 is there, and from there we can see it can move further, come to this level. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, then chances are very high that we can see it can go towards its resistance of $3,797, and if the price sustain above that level, then there is high probability of going towards a level of 3,917. Okay, and 3,917 is a resistance, so there is high chances that it can cross this particular level and can touch a level of $3,957, because 3,917 is a resistance which is weak resistance, so chances are high that we can see it can go towards a level of $3,957, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $4,017. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $4,156, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $4,210. Okay, and once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $4,323, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, now if we talk about SQ, you can see that if the price sustain this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $3,683. Okay, and if the price move above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $67.97. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain this particular level, then chances are high that we can see it can touch a level of $70.13. Okay, so once this level goes above this particular zone, because 70.13 is a high of this particular zone which is not being touched since a year, so probability is very high particular level it can cross this particular, make another new high of for a year. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can touch a particular level of around, which is next support of $5,980, and if that level also didn't sustain, then a probability of touching 56.91 is 56.19 is there, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $57.09. Okay, suppose if the price go fall below that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can move further low towards a level of $53 also, and from there we can see a bounce back $53.49. But if that level sustain, then a probability is there we can see it can fall further down. If that level didn't sustain, a probability of touching $51.68 to a level of 48 is also there if the price didn't sustain this particular. Understand here that the price currently trading at around $17.15. Okay, and this zone is about to break a particular zone because this level has not come since 2020 May 2020 first week. So suppose if the price fall below this particular level, then it can touch a level of its strong support of 16.19. This 16.19 is a low since May 2020, so probability is there if this level sustain, then we can see a bounce back. But if that level goes further down, then is a probability of moving further low is on the very higher side. Okay, because a strong support we can see coming at around $7.95 if the price fall below this particular level, because this level has not come since long. So probability is very high once the price fall below this particular level, a probability of touching 16.19 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 15.40. And if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $14.23, and from there we can see a level of $13.44. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of $12.27 also, and then further downside if the price didn't sustain this particular level. Okay, now as you can see that it is on the downtrend, but suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level and if it goes upside, then a probability of touching on a high side will be there that it can touch a level of $19.32, and this is a weak resistance, so chances will be very high that we can see it can touch a level of 21.28 if the price sustain this level. Suppose if the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $22.46. This $22.46 is a resistance which is already a weak resistance, so there is a higher probability of going further high and can touch a level of around $24.81, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price goes above this particular level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.